Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 fortune idioms with its meanings and usage examples. Number 1, make a fortune. It means to earn a large amount of money suddenly or unexpectedly. Example, she made a fortune selling handmade crafts online. Number 2, born under a lucky star. It means naturally fortunate from birth. Example, he's born under a lucky star. Every gamble pays off for him. Number 3, stroke of luck. It means a sudden piece of good fortune. Example, finding that lost wallet was a real stroke of luck. Number 4, fortune favors the bold. It means brave actions lead to success. Example, she took the risk and pitched her idea. Fortune favors the bold. Number 5, Lady Luck smiles on you. It means good fortune is favoring someone. Example, Lady Luck smiled on us during the road trip. No delays at all. Number 6, push your luck. It means to take risks after initial success. Example, you won twice. Don't push your luck on the third bet. Number 7, down on your luck. It means experiencing a period of misfortune. Example, he's down on his luck after losing his job last month. Number 8, run of bad luck. It means a series of unfortunate events. Example, after 3 flat tires, it's just a run of bad luck. Number 9, out of luck. It means without good fortune available. Example, sorry, we sold the last ticket. You're out of luck. Number 10, strike it rich. It means to suddenly become wealthy. Example, miners hope to strike it rich in the California gold rush. Hey learners, that's your 10 fortune idioms unlocked. Check out the quiz below and try your luck. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.